As the years go on, elders will face complex decisions about healthcare. This includes short-term decisions and long-term ones, decisions about treatments or surgeries, which doctors to work with, pain management, costs, and much more. Every day brings new information. This is why it is so important to plan and prepare for medical care decisions and situations in advance. To help you better understand the benefits of advanced medical care, we're going to show you a basic common scenario. Scenario A. Nancy is 65 years old and has 3 sons, John, Robert, and Andrew. Nancy is self-sufficient, but one day she unexpectedly has a stroke and can no longer take care of herself. While Nancy prepared for the basics of medical care, her sons are relatively unaware of Nancy's wishes and medical care plans. Her sons are scrambling to try and find the best ways to pay for her care, as well as determine the best decisions for how to go about Nancy's treatment. Nancy's sons each have different viewpoints on how Nancy should go about her healthcare financing and treatment decisions. The family is also highly stressed and filled with tension as they try to determine all the medical decisions that need to be made. Fights seem to erupt all the time, even when people are trying their best to stay rational. Don't let this happen to you. As a family, the best thing you can do is set aside time to communicate and make sure everyone is on the same page as your elder copes with the changes that come. You can then anticipate various plans of action and decide on the best way to solve any potential problems or disputes as a family. Scenario B. Instead of scrambling at the last minute to try and make the best medical decisions, Nancy and her sons took some time to discuss Nancy's medical care once she turned 60. The first thing they discussed was what medical providers Nancy would want to use in any given situation. This includes doctors, psychologists, nurses, and other caregivers. Nancy and her sons also talked about what would happen if Nancy were no longer able to live on her own without assistance. They talked about the options of a nursing home, but decided against it since it's the most restrictive form of long-term care and the most expensive. They also discussed in-home care and assisted living options. Nancy also took the time to tell her sons about her various insurance policies. In elder care, the most common form of insurance providing medical coverage is combining parts of Medicare with personal resources. Other aspects of medical care include disability claims and appeals, healthcare decision-making and healthcare powers of attorney, and talking about wishes for the end of one's life. So, what tools are available? There are many tools to assist with medical care planning. The first step you can take that will save time and headaches is to gather all necessary documents, like insurance cards or claims, into a secure file. That way, if you need to reference anything, it's all in one easy-to-find location. You can also consult a lawyer specializing in elder law, a county benefits specialist, primary care physicians, and other healthcare experts. Take the time to plan for medical care courses of action in advance. If you work through any disputes or complications earlier on, the elder care process down the road will be much easier on everyone in the family. Thanks for watching this section of our Elder Care and Mediation video series. Learn more by watching our other topics.
Thank you.